If you own short-term rental properties or you're looking to get into the short-term rental industry,
now we are leading workshops here at Bolt Farm Treehouse where we're transferring that knowledge, we're sharing everything we know, and connecting you with amazing people who are doing similar things in their industry.
Yeah, answering every single question you have about the right property to buy, zoning and regulations, short-term rental laws, construction, operating a hotel, sales, branding, marketing, you name it. Like, we know every square inch of this business from doing it. Over the last 10 years, we have done every facet of that, and we have built an incredible brand with Bolt Farm Treehouse. In this past 10 years, we have learned so much, and we've also learned what works and built a really successful brand. And so we realize that there's so much value we can give, and we just want to pass that value along with you so that we can save you hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, because from our experience, like, had we had the right mentors, we would have saved $9.7 million. We actually calculated how much we've lost over these 10 years and how much we could have gained if we had the right information sooner. So let us help you compress time, and we can get you where you're going so much faster than if you're just trying to figure it out on your own.